Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series of Engineering Mathematics 1. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss the MCQs on Lagrange mean value theorem. Very quickly, the 10 to 12 MCQs we will be discussing and 2 MCQs on Cauchy's mean value theorem. Yes, what is Lagrange mean value theorem? If any function is defined on closed interval AB and the function is continuous in closed interval AB, differentiable in open interval AB, then there exists a value or any point in open interval AB such that f dash c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus, where f dash c is what? It is the derivative of the function at x equal to c. Fb means what? It is the value of the function at x equal to b, value of the function at x equal to a, like this. Okay, this Lagrange mean value theorem statement is also important for as an MCQ. The very quickly, first problem, function fx is x square which is given and the value of c you have to find. Fx is continuous and differentiable in closed interval and open interval AB respectively. Then there exists a point c belongs to the open interval AB. Then by Lagrange mean value theorem, value of c is asked to find. So find value of f of a is minus 1 and b is what? 2. F of minus 1, f of 2 you have to find, means put x equal to minus 1, put x equal to 2 and you get f2 and f of minus 1. Fx is given to you, take derivative of fx which is f dash x and derivative of x square is 2x and put x equal to c so as to get f dash c. The f dash c is what? F dash c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. This value is 4, this value is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 by 3 is 1. And f dash c is 2c. 2c equal to 1, therefore c equal to 1 by 2. So similarly, the function is changed now, fx equal to log x. The interval is what? 1 to e is the interval, means a is 1 and b is e, like that. E is exponential constant. The f of 1 is log of 1 which is 0. F of e is log of e which is 1. F dash of x is derivative of log x. Put x equal to c. Then using Lagrange mean value theorem, f of e, f of 1, e minus 1, 1 by c is value of f dash of c. F dash x is 1 by x, derivative of log x, f dash c is 1 by c. 1 by c equal to this thing, therefore c equal to e minus 1. Putting value of f of e, f of 1, e minus 1 as it is, then 1 by c is 1 by e minus 1. It is very clear that c equal to e minus 1. Now, the next problem, this one, okay, it is for you. This is, you try to solve. Fx is given, interval is 0 to 4, find f of 0 means put x equal to 0, x equal to 4 so as to get the value of f of 0 and f of 4. Find derivative of this function is this one, f dash c you have to find and put x equal to c so as to get f dash c, and then all these values you have to put here. F dash of c is equal to f of b means f of 4 minus f of 0 by 4 minus 0, like that, and try to solve this quadratic equation. You can use the calculator to find out the value of c and the value of c will be this thing. Next problem, very quickly, fx equal to 4x square. Okay, this is I am leaving up to you because the same problem we have solved. Here we have x square, here we have 4x square. Okay, try to solve this and the answer to this is 1. The options are also given and one option you have to select. Here the function is f of x equal to x plus 1 by x. Interval is 1 to 3. Put x equal to 1. You will get value of f of 1 like this. Put x equal to 3. 3 plus 1 by 3. In this way you will be getting 3 is LCM and 9 plus 1 is 10 by 3. F dash x is also required to find out f dash c. Take derivative of x is 1, derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Derivative of Once you get the derivative, put x equal to c. Here I am putting x equal to c. Then use Lagrange mean value theorem. What is Lagrange mean value theorem? F dash of c. F dash of c is this one, is equal to f of b. F of b is f of 3 here, minus f of a. F of 1 is 2. B minus a means 3 minus 1. The 10 by 3 minus 1, take LCM, 3. 10 minus 6 means 4 by 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 by 3 by 2 means 2 by 3 here. 1 minus 1 by square is 2 by 3. Shift 1 on the right hand side, it will be minus 1. And 2 by 3 minus 1 is minus 1 by 3. Take 3 as LCM. Minus minus gets cancelled. 1 by c square is 1 by 3. Therefore, c square equal to 3. And taking square root of both the sides in this way. And here root of 3 is the correct answer. Now, very quickly, next problem. Only functions and intervals are being changed. Here, this is Lagrange mean value theorem. Fx is 1 by x. Derivative of fx is minus 1 by x square. See? Put x equal to c. F dash c equal to minus 1 by c square. And minus 1 by c. This value is f dash c equal to fb minus fa by b minus a. Lagrange mean value theorem. Fb value, f of a value, b minus a as it is. Take LCM here, b into a is LCM, cross product we have to write here, a minus b by ab by b minus a minus b gets cancelled, therefore minus of 1 by ab will be there, because a minus b and b minus a I am going to cancel, therefore minus sign will remain, okay, because a b minus a you can write as minus of a minus b, that's why I have written it directly, okay. Then minus 1 by c square is minus 1 by ab, therefore 1 by c square is a into b, c is equal to under root of ab, so taking square root of both the sides, means this is the correct answer. The same problem again, this I am going to solve, okay, this one I am going to solve, or no problem, this will we are going to solve. Fx equal to this thing, see fx, you can multiply. You can open the brackets, you will be getting like this. F of 0, put x equal to 0. You can put either x equal to 0 here or here. Same thing, these two things are same. If you put x equal to 0, 0 into this will be 0. Put x equal to 1 by 2, because interval is what? 0 to 1 by 2. Put x equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 2 is minus 3 by 2. Minus minus plus. This is 3 and 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. F of 1 by 2 is 3 by 8. F of 0 is 0. Fx is there. Take derivative. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of minus 3x square is minus 6x. Derivative of 2x is 2. Put x equal to c like this. The f dash c is what? F of b minus f of a by b minus a. F of 1 by 2 is 3 by 8. F of 0 is 0. 1 by 2 minus 0 is 1 by 2. 3 by 8 minus divided by 1 by 2 is what? 3 by 4, because this 1 by 2 will jump here like this. It will be in the multiplication 2 by 1, 3 by 4. Okay, f dash c is what? This value, it is 3 by 4. Then shift 3 by 4 on the left hand side, or you can multiply throughout by 4, and in that way you can solve that quadratic equation. You can use the calculator to get the value. This one of the value you will be getting 0.236, and this is the correct answer. Okay. Now here fx is root x, interval is 4 and 9, f of 4, root of 4 means 2, f of 9 means root of 9 is 3. Okay. Then f dash x, derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Put x equal to c here. Then by Lagrange mean value theorem, f dash of c is equal to fb minus fa by 9 minus 4 b minus a. This is 5, this is 1. Then 2 you can bring here. Okay. Or 2 root c is 5. And root c is 5 by 2. And root c is 5 by 2 means it is 5 by 2 is 2.5. And square of 2.5 is 6.25. The correct answer is this one. Now, similarly, the function fx is e to the power x, interval is 0 to 1, f of 0, f of 1 you have to find, this we have found. F dash x means derivative of e raised to power x is the same, put x equal to c here. By Lagrange mean value theorem, f dash c equal to fp minus f of a by 1 minus 0, means b minus a. Here a is 0 and b is 1. And this is e raised to c is e minus 1, and then c equal to what? Log of e minus 1, because e raised to power a is b, then a equal to log b, like that. Correct answer, correct value of c is what? This. Now, very quickly, the last problem. Here function fx is root of x minus 2, interval 2 to 3, find value of f of 2, f of 3 in this way. F3 value, F2 value, this is F3 value, F2 value. Take derivative of fx, this is the derivative, put x equal to c, and by Lagrange mean value theorem, f dash c is f of 3 minus f of 2 by 3 minus 2, means 1, then 1 by 1, 1 by 2, under root c minus 2, these denominators are same. You can equate the denominators directly because numerators are same. The root of c minus 2 is 1 by 2, taking square of both the sides because we want value of c, and c equal to 9 by 4, means this 2 I am shifting here, 1 by 4 plus 2, take LCM 4 and 9 by 4 you get. The 9 by 4 is the correct answer. Now coming to the Cauchy's mean value theorem, examination point of view, this is less important, but Cauchy's mean value theorem statement you have to prepare it well. In Cauchy's mean value theorem, the two functions are required, fx and gx. The fx and gx be the functions defined on closed interval ab. If fx and gx are continuous in closed interval, differentiable in open interval, that is what happened in Lagrange's mean value theorem and Rolle's theorem, then there exists a point c in open interval ab such that this is there. Means f dash c by g dash c, fb minus f of a, g of b minus g of a. Okay, these are the derivatives at x equal to c. Here, fx and gx are the functions given, interval is this one, and we have to find out value of c here. Okay, then f of x is this. X means f of a, f of b value. F of a, f of b value we found, put x equal to a and b. G of x is given, g of a, g of b we found, put x equal to a and b here. F dash x means derivative of x is 1. F dash c means put x equal to c. On the right hand side only 1 is there, we have to continue it. G dash of x, what is gx? It is x square. G dash of x is 2x, put x equal to c. G dash of c is 2c. Means all these 6 values we have to obtain. F dash c, g dash c, f of b, f of a, g of a, and g of b. And all those value I am putting here. See, f dash c value, okay, g dash c value, f b, f a, g of b, g of a. And this we are going to solve and we have to find a value of c. See, you can break like this, means b square minus a square is b minus a into b plus a, because b minus a are going to cancel. 1 by 2c is 1 by b plus a, and therefore 2c equal to b plus a and c equal to a plus b by 2. This is the correct answer. Okay. Similarly, the same problem. These two functions are given. F of a, f of b you have to find, g of a, g of b you have to find like this. See. Then take derivative of fx is 1 by 2 root x, derivative of root x, derivative of 1 by root x. 1 by root x derivative, see, derivative of 1 by root x to x raised to the power minus 1 by 2 in this way. Okay, and g dash of c is this, g dash of c, put x equal to c. Now, f dash c value here, g dash c value here, f of b value, f of a value, g of b value, g of a value. Okay, now we are going to simplify it. take LCM here, the cross product root of a minus root of b, root of a into root of b, like that. Okay, here root b minus root a, here root a minus root b. So you can take minus sign common and then you can cancel. Okay, in this way. 1 by c raised to power 1 by root c, and means this will jump in the numerator, c raised to 3 by 2. Root c means c raised to 1 by 2. Minus sign I have taken common because I want these two brackets same, and this will get cancelled. So this minus sign again going to cancel, and root of a into root of b will remain, and c raised to 3 by 2, and this will jump in the numerator by law of indices. It will be minus 1 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 1, and root of a into root of b is root of ab, like this. Okay, the correct answer is what? Root of ab is the correct answer. Okay, this answer is not given. The options are not given. C is equal to under root of ab is the correct answer. So thank you very much.